Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, congratulations to everyone, those who got into Delhi University, and I really hope you got your dream course and dream college. So in this video, I'll be talking about what all you should know once you enter into college, and if I have to be more specific, I'll be talking about the course economics honors, or my experience once I entered college, and what all, how did I proceed with this course. So I'll be sharing that. So without any further ado, let's start the video. The very first thing, which I want to make clear is that, of course, once a person has made up their mind that they have to pursue economics honors, it's sure that everyone must know this, that yes, this course is mathematical. Like, it requires that mathematical aptitude, and it's absolutely correct, because what I realized is, as I am passing through every semester, and right now I am also going to start my third year, I realized that each semester, we get, absolutely, we get the stuff of maths. We have subjects like mathematical method for economics, that is mme. We have statistics, we have ecotrics, econometrics, and then we have micro, macro. Even they have those mathematical concepts involved, and which is deeply rooted with your 11th and 12th. Like, you have to be very, very, very fluent with your 11th and 12th mathematics, then only you can proceed with this course. Now let me make one thing very clear to you: you don't need to hesitate it with maths, because you need to realize that you have got the opportunity to do this course. Like, when you are getting that seat allocation, it's written that you have got economics honors, and that means you are capable of doing it. It's just that you require that consistency, you require that perseverance, you require the discipline, which is very much needed here, I guess. And I realized that once we enter college, there is a lot of rush. College life is something very different. It's not at all like what it was in the school earlier. Here you have to manage things yourself. Here you have to go out and reach out to your seniors, to your professors. That's what it is actually about. And somewhere you will find that, I mean, that's my experience. I'm going to share one incident. Like, I had my lectures of maths, a mathematical method for economics, in my first year. And uh, I it was my first month in college. I was like, it's not even going in my head, because professors, they are a bit too fast. I thought at that time, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि professors कुछ ज़्यादा ही quick pace पे हैं, and I'm not able to cope up with them, and I used to just pile it up for later. And I was, again, I realized this fact कि ऐसे तो काम नहीं चलने वाला है, and the semester is just of 3 to 4 months. We have to catch up with the speed of the professors. This is the very first thing you should know. Yeah, like, once you enter into college, realize the fact that yes, the atmosphere is going to be the same, and it's not the fault of the professors. They are just given that 3 months time. They have to complete their course. So for that, be prepared, be very much attentive in the class. Whatever professors say, अगर नहीं समझ आता है, ask them there, because let me tell you honestly, and this is one thing I'm grateful about. Like, there are a lot, but this is one of those things I'm grateful about, is in Miranda House, I got one of the best professors and one of the best seniors. Like, if you'll those who are coming to Miranda, if you'll ever reach out to any professor, they'll be there to help you, they'll be there to guide you in any of the case. Even if you ask for the life compatibility, right now when you are entering college, they will definitely give you the guidance. Like, no doubt about it. I'm really, really grateful for that. Plus the role of seniors is very, very great. I reached out to a lot of seniors in my first year, and I realized that yes, I mean, most of them were there to help us, to make us feel comfortable. One of my seniors gave me a housewarming. Like, I was going back, I was there starting my life in college. So and I was going to live in PG. So they had that welcoming nature, and they said that don't worry, everything will be all right, and you'll हमने कर लिया तो तुम भी कर लोगे. That was the first statement which one of my seniors gave me, and वो उससे एक boost मिला कि yes यार, कर तो सकते हैं. So it's definitely not a difficult course. It's just that जो भी आप अभी करके आए हो, अभी थोड़े बहुत days बचे हैं थोड़ी सी 11th की मैथ्स को ब्रशअप करना स्टार्ट कर दो. नॉट द ट्रिगो वाला फॉर्मूला, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री बिल्कुल नहीं करनी है ज़्यादा. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि जितना भी क्वान्टिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड था मैथ्स का, लाइक उसमें यू कैन स्टडी अबाउट हाइपरबोला, पैराबोला, इलिप्स और एनी ऑफ द स्ट्रेट लाइन का क्या कॉन्सेप्ट और परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन. डू इट थरली, लाइक डू इट प्रॉपरली. एंड वंस यू एंटर कॉलेज एंड फर्स्ट ईयर में यू विल रियलाइज दैट अगर आपने ये कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे से कर लिए हैं, इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. यू विल बी एबल टू गेट एंड सॉल्व ईच एंड एवरी कॉन्सेप्ट. लेट मी टेल यू, इकोनॉमिक्स ऑनर्स इज़ नॉट टफ. बिल्कुल भी टफ नहीं है. इट जस्ट रिक्वायर्स कि आप कितना ज़्यादा कंसिस्टेंट हो. आपको कंसिस्टेंट होना पड़ेगा एंड यू हैव टू मेंटेन दैट बैलेंस बिटवीन योर सोसाइटीज़ एंड विद योर एकेडमिक्स एज वेल. क्योंकि क्या होता है, हम जैसे कॉलेज एंटर करते हैं, एवरीथिंग इज सो ओवरवेलमिंग. वी सी अ लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एंड वी ट्राई टू कि यार ये भी कर लेते हैं, वो भी कर लेते हैं. ऐसा नहीं करना है, बिकॉज फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ कॉलेज, ये बता दूँ, वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्कोरिंग होता है. बिकॉज वंस यू कम इन टू सेकेंड ईयर, it gets tougher, and in third year it's the placement year. You sit for placements, you sit for your entrance examinations like CUET, PG or CAT or XYZ. So first year में जितना तुम अपने academics में control रख सकते हो, you have to do that. And for that, you should be thorough. Like from the day one, start your preparation. Academics को do prepare very well, and side by side extra curriculars को forget नहीं करना है. उसमें भी आप लोग कर सकते हो. आई विल मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो फॉर इट. एंड इवन पीपल हु आर कमिंग टू मिरांडा, if you want personal guidance, I will definitely give you. I'll share my mail ID with you. You can contact me through there and I'll reach out to you guys, because I saw one of the comments and I was really happy. One girl got into Miranda House, so welcome. And I'm definitely there to help you guys. And you can ask anything you can ask. So for the extracurricular, I'll make a different video. And yes, you can do that. And even for societies, I was also part of 2 societies in my first year. First one is Vishleshan and other one was DEPSOC. So I it's not that difficult कि आप एक balance नहीं maintain कर सकते. बिल्कुल कर सकते हो, but do not compromise with your academics. That's the foremost thing. So at the end, I would like to advise you all that don't hesitate to reach out to your seniors. Like, trust me when I'm saying this, अगर तुम अभी किसी भी senior से अपने बात करोगे, I am pretty sure that they are gonna help you, they are gonna guide you in the best way possible. Even you can reach out to your professors as well. I am pretty sure that your professors will also will also try to help you guys in the best way possible. And just remember one thing, economics honors ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा tough है. I mean, it's actually not tough. It's just that how much consistent you are. क्या तुम day one से consistent हो पा रहे हो? And first years के लिए तो यही advice है. Even let me be more precise. For the first semesters, my advice to you would be, जैसे ही तुम लोग अपना कॉलेज स्टार्ट करते हो, एडेप्टेबिलिटी, आई नो 1 वीक उसको लगेगा समझने में, बट यार ऐसा नहीं करना कि प्रोक्रास्टिनेट करते 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 हम लास्ट मंथ में जाके फिर हम पढ़ना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. वो बहुत दिस इज समथिंग. फर्स्ट ईयर हम सोचते हैं, हम एक जोश के साथ जाते हैं कि नहीं, यू हैव टू स्टडी. बट जैसे जैसे वो वंस द इंटरनल्स का वो चीज़ें होती हैं, एंड देन वंस वी एंटर इनटू कॉलेज, इतना सारा हम बर्डन में जाते हैं, एंड देन वी फेल एट लुकिंग एट आवर एकेडमिक्स, और समवेयर हम थोड़ा स्लाइटली लैग करने लगते हैं. उस चीज़ को मत होने देना. सो तुम लोग ये याद रखना मेरी बात, कि फर्स्ट डे से ही, और यू जस्ट थिंक कि हाँ ओके, आफ्टर 1 वीक, आफ्टर नोइंग माई प्रोफेसर्स, आफ्टर नोइंग एवरीथिंग, मुझे अपने एकेडमिक्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग रखना है नो मैटर वॉट. एंड देन क्योंकि ये चीज़ होती है कि आप ये सोचो लास्ट मंथ में जाके आई विल गेट अ 9+ GPA. नॉट एट ऑल, बिल्कुल नहीं होने वाला है. एटलीस्ट इन इकोनॉमिक्स ऑनर्स you can't definitely do it. So be prepared from the very beginning. It's I'm not even, मैं तुम्हें स्केयर नहीं करना चाह रही हूँ कि नहीं पढ़ना पड़ेगा, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. आराम से लाइटली, लाइक उसके लिए तो तुम्हें कुछ ज़्यादा करना नहीं है. जो तुम्हारे प्रोफेसर्स तुम्हें क्लास में करवाते हैं, अटेंड देयर लेक्चर्स, उसके नोट्स बना लो. बिकॉज टू बी ऑनेस्ट, द नोट्स ऑफ माई प्रोफेसर्स हैज़ रियली हेल्प मी टू गेट अ गुड GPA. सो वो तुम्हें बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्प करेगा. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, unlike any other course, economics honors तुम्हें rewards भी बहुत अच्छे देता है. Like I can say this, I mean when I have talked to my friends as well who are in doing political science or even history, they say that no, they can't get above 8 GPA, but in economics you get a 10 as well. आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स इट्स मैथमेटिकल, एंड जो तुम करके आओगे तुम्हें उसके बेसिस पे मार्क्स मिलेंगे. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग. It's definitely gonna be fun. You'll definitely enjoy it. Just keep these things in mind. Don't get overwhelmed by anything. College life, yes, it's going to be a bit hectic, thoda lagega, but then adapt to it. You'll definitely adapt to everything, and I know you'll do wonders. And for any further doubt, I'll definitely love to answer your questions. You can ask me in the comment section. I was even thinking that you guys must be entering, and then we have to choose our general electives as well. So I'll make a separate video for it, so that you can get a better idea. And I would add about the second back course ki exactly usme hota kya hai, skill enhancement and value addition courses as well. So I'll definitely make a video for that. So yeah, with that, I would like to end this video. Bye bye. Thank you.